Hello children, this is your geography part, chapter 1, resources of India. In this chapter we will study about resources like soil, water, forest, wildlife, air. These are the resources. So first topic is resources, meaning, importance and types. Resources are those aspects which facilitate the satisfaction of human wants or help to solve the problems. In other words, anything which fulfill human wants or more or less it helps in solving problems are called resources. For example, water is a resource as it is used for drinking, irrigation, cleaning purposes and cooking. In the same way, all those things which fulfill human needs or wants are known as resources. Resources can make human life simple and happy. Primitive man was completely dependent on nature. Gradually, a man utilized elements of nature with his intelligence fulfill their needs. Today, those countries which have more resources are considered as development and prosperous. Resources have importance in our life as their availability indicates development. We must understand that any element of nature is a resource when it helps to fulfill human needs. Man can convert any substance or material into resources. To fulfill his needs, man can make the natural elements useful and valuable by his intelligence, skill, and technical knowledge. With this process, the natural element become resources. In short, we can say that natural elements become resources when man modifies them to be more useful and valuable to fulfill his needs with the help of his intelligence, skill, and technical knowledge. Usually, resources are natural. According to McNall, PE, natural resources are those resources which are provided by nature and are useful to man. In the process of conversion of material to resource creation, man's role is supreme. Man himself is a resource. An educated and skilled and healthy man is a valuable resource for a country. Resources can be classified on the basis of ownership, availability, distribution, and uses. So, dear children, in the past, men dependent on nature for their life. But gradually, man used their skill and intelligence and modifies to many things which nature provides us. In the easy language, we can say that anything which fulfills human needs and more or less it helps us to solving problem are called resources. Resources may be the things which satisfied human needs.